In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound effects to your video transitions using CapCut. This is a great way to enhance your video editing skills and make your transitions more engaging. So let's get started and dive right into the process. First, we want to focus on the Audio tab. This is where the magic begins. Head over to this tab and take a moment to appreciate the wide array of sound effects and transitions available at your fingertips. Whether you're looking for something subtle to create a smooth segue or a bold effect to make a strong impression, you'll likely find just what you need here. It's worth taking your time to explore and search through these options thoughtfully. A well-chosen sound can really elevate the visual experience and captivate your audience further. Once you've browsed through the options, it's time to preview and select a transition sound that aligns perfectly with the mood of your video. Click on the sounds to listen to them. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that the audio complements your video content rather than distracting from it. Consider the tone, pace, and style of your project, and select a sound that complements these elements. Trust your instincts and go with the sound that feels right for your specific content. With your perfect transition sound selected, the next step involves dragging this sound effect onto the audio timeline. You'll want to place it directly beneath your clip transition. This ensures that the audio coincides precisely with the transition point in your video footage. This will help create a seamless and professional feel as your video moves from one scene to the next. After placing the sound effect, it's time to focus on timing it just right. Trim or adjust the sound so that it matches your visual transition exactly. This may take some trial and error, but it's an integral step as syncing the audio with the visual element helps the transition feel natural and fluid. Pay attention to both when the audio starts and ends, ensuring it lines up perfectly with the visual cue. Lastly, you'll want to adjust the volume for a smooth blend. Test your video by playing the transition back a few times, and tweak the volume if necessary to make sure the sound is neither too overpowering nor too faint. The goal here is to strike a balance where the audio enhances the transition without drawing away focus. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to add polished sound effects to your transitions in CapCut. With practice, you'll master the art of audio-enhanced video transitions, making your videos more dynamic and engaging. Happy editing!